Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, friends, whatever time of the day it is for you. I hope you're having a marvelous Monday so far. We've had a weekend, and so we are back bright and early on this Monday morning to put some more brain power in our brains so we can really learn. Okay, we've got to learn to put brain power in there. Okay, so friends, we are going to begin with our calendar. Okay, so Mrs. Sinsley made a mistake on the calendar last week, and I'm going to talk about that in just a moment. Okay, so who remembers what month we are in? Let's sing the months of the year. Ready? January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. 12 months in a year. Yay! There's 12 months in a year. Okay, our month begins with September, friends. And when we were here last Friday, it was September the 18th. So we need to know what comes after the 18th. So let's start with the number 1 and count to 18 and see what comes after 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can count with me. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. You are right. 19. Today is Saturday was September the 19th. And so 17, 18, 19, 20. 20. Okay, September the 20th. Now here's where my mistake was last week. Mrs. Hensley had Brian's name here, and I had fall right here like this. And what comes after 20? 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. And Brian's birthday is on September 21st. So guess what? It is today's birthday. Happy birthday, Brian. Mrs. Hensley made a mistake and said it was on Tuesday, but your birthday is on Monday. So, the first day of fall is tomorrow. Okay? So, Brian, we will be sharing a birthday special song for you a little bit later, okay? So you'll get to look forward to that. But I hope you're having an awesome birthday so far, okay? We wish you the very best birthday. Okay, who remembers what I said today was September the 21st, but what day of the week is it? Monday. Right here, friends, Monday. So today is Monday. Let's sing our 7 days of the week. There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Okay, so today is Monday. Let's see what tomorrow will be. What comes after Monday? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Sunday, Monday. What comes after Monday? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Tuesday. Okay, so tomorrow will be Tuesday. What comes before Monday, because the day that comes before Monday was yesterday. So let's see what comes before Monday. Sunday, Monday. Sunday, Monday. Is this before? Yes, Sunday. Here is Sunday, friends. Sunday. Yesterday was Sunday. So, yesterday was Sunday. Today is Monday. Tomorrow will be Tuesday. Okay? So, let's look at how many days we've been in school. I'm going to move this up here. We need to add a straw for the numbers of days that we've been in school. Let's count them. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. We need to add a tally. Let's count these and make sure we have 17. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Or we can count by fives. I hope you guys can see this. Okay. 5, 10, 15, 16, 17. Okay, and Mrs. Hensley needs to write 17 up here. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. A 1 and a 7. Okay, we're going to move this way a little bit to write our date. And Mrs. Hensley has decided that she's going to write with blue today because she is wearing a blue kimono. So, what month? We're in September, but what number is September? January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August. September. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it is, oops, Mrs. Hensley dropped the marker. 9 dash, we know it is the 21st dash 20. It is Brian's birthday. Again, happy birthday, Brian. Brian's birthday, and I'm going to put a happy face here because it's Brian's birthday. Can you see that, guys? I don't know if you can see that or not. It's kind of hard to see. Okay, then we're going to write the abbreviation for September, SEPT period, 21, 2020. And now I'm going to write the long September month out. September 21, 2020. There we go. So 9-21-20, set 21, 2020, September 21, 2020. Brian's birthday is today. Happy birthday to Brian. Okay, friends, let's talk about what we're going to do today. Today, we are going to do our foundation sound chart, letter sound chart, and we are going to do letter naming fluency. We are going to write in our September journal. We are going to read Mrs. Wishy-Washy, and you might have heard that in pre-K, but guess what? We're going to read it again in kindergarten. You might learn something new, and we're going to do an activity with Mrs. Wishy-Washy. That'll be fun. You'll like that. And then in math, we're going to talk about two groups that are equal. And then, since tomorrow is fall, the first day of fall, so today is the last day you will see our summer bird up here because tomorrow it will be fall. So later this afternoon, later on, we are going to be brainstorming things about fall. Okay, so that will be a fun activity, and we'll learn what we all brainstormed and talked about tomorrow. So I hope you guys have a marvelous Monday, and I look forward to seeing your work today. Don't forget to go and tell me how you're feeling today, and listen to the 2 songs that we have on our daily message, okay? You guys have a marvelous Monday, and I will talk to you soon. Bye, friends.